famous photographer that can fish pro. He's probably a Nico master of the world.
That's what he keeps saying.
He's Nico King.
Nico King. No.
That was first cast on a swim jig? We might want to go back. That's about where you hooked up on that.
This is Gary Yamamoto jig.
Oh, is it some jig? Let's see.
I was about to say, let's see that joker.
Yeah,
Gary Yamamoto.
I'll get a big one, dude. Oh, I need a new bait.
Aaron's throwing shots.
Maybe cut and use cut head off.
Either way.
3 or 4 in this can. That's it. Yeah, right. See him?
Yeah, okay. I see it. There's a ton of grass off of that too. That's actually where we're going next.
That's crazy. It looks like a bunch of...
This grass tops out to about his boat.
When you guys on the front, Nico, you know they shit out.
Oh, annihilated all day. You'd be lights out all day.
It wouldn't be fair. Oh yeah.
I'm busted out. I wanna get your take on it.
He's a master.
I like to pretend I'm good at it just because.
He's a master. He's as good as him.
That was the first thing he said this morning. He said, "You got any Nico worms?"
Oh, he does. We fished them in Japan. I was watching him working. I was like, talons are actually more quiet than the poles, but you gotta stop them on the way up or on the way up.
Yeah, and that one, if you're coming, especially if you have it down like 10 foot and you're coming up all the way, it's got all that momentum.
Oh, it hits right. You see, they can hear from a long distance. That little fluke, dude. Fluke. How many is watermelon red? That's one of my favorite things to do is watermelon red fluke down here, dude. You got a bunch of them?
Yeah.
I could keep throwing a top already. If I get like one more bite thing, I'll keep throwing.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. He'll catch some big ones.
My first Nico fish.
Oh, this week?
Wow. 3-pounder. Yeah, he ate it too. Come on,
come on. He's gonna come on. Little tiny hook.
He said he's gonna come on.
It's number 6.
Oh, that's right in the corner. He ain't going nowhere.
Number 6 hook? Number 6?
Number 6, my hook.
Oh my god.
Aaron would have lost that fish on tour already.
Maybe 3.
Yeah, skinny.
Yeah.
Close. Yeah, he's a big fish, but he's...
Right in the corner. To your left, right here. They're all off of that.
He's on it. Come on.
Good fish, man.
That was
Oh, he's still on.
How many baits do you have? Maybe I throw a Nico.
Maybe you throw a Nico there, Aaron.
Nico.
Maybe we all throw a Nico.
How many worms do you have?
This?
Yeah, how many worms do you have left?
I mean, maybe 5 or something.
They're nice ones.
Wow.
4-pound fish.
Wow.
He's gonna put a clank on us today, dude, with Nico. That's gonna be bad. I'm just letting you know, yeah, it's gonna be bad, dude.
He's going with that.
It's gonna be bad,
Good fish.
Nico.
Look at that mark right there. That's crazy. Someone pulled one through his cover? Yeah. You can't. And they come in there.
Heavy one. Let's make a connection. Wow. He's catching good ones too.
Wow.
Yeah, they're definitely the Nico rig fish.
Alright.
Oh, you got a school right here. Fire that.
It's like orange.
Just straight. I told you this.
Did you say pumpkin? Bro, I need to get a rod out here. I've been casting, but I keep watching you guys land up. I'm just like, whoa, man.
He said, whoa. What?
I'm still threading my rod.
Oh, man.
I had the same pliers.
Oh, that Nico rig to the fluke.
Look how big yours are. His last 3, he's got it all over too.
Yeah. Hold that fish up.
I got that heavy cover hook is my hook. I made that for Andre Moore. Dang, I got bit already.
Yeah, come
On fruit?
Oh yeah.
I'm not.
It matters, dude.
I'm just reeling it at this point. I'm not even.
Oh, it's mine. Yeah, you were just reeling it, right? When you let you let it fall, it's fish on. It's like a fish per fluke. That's yeah. Like you need to almost nose hook it.
Please hook it.
Yeah. Nose hook it.
Especially if it has like a. It needs a harder nose, is what it needs. Rip Nation.
Easy.
They're all big.
Very easy.
Oh,
Oh, and it fall.
Those are all tungsten weights. Dude. He don't care. He gets them free.
I was about
Those are all tungsten. He's using all the tungsten weights.
Wow.
Get beneath real quick. Oh, you know what?
You good now?
No, I think it's fine.
I'll get bit soon. Don't catch it.
What I'm gonna do is come up. Uh-oh. I ain't a bad putting that rod to work.
And they're eating blueback herring, and they're like,
Well, that's
they'll come up where he's at, and then all of a sudden, over there, and in front of you, and you just gotta pick the closest. Like, get one. You gotta like pick your distance. Usually it's as far as you can catch. Like,
that's a bite on linear. I mean, it's.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're pinned or not.
You were born here this week?
My mom, we're on a business trip.
What was that on? Like, you're a top water?
Yeah.
Is that your fish or just something like this?
Nah, I've kept him down the whole time. It's right here. But I've always.
Oh, dude, I heard that one.
I've always been down here though.
They spray that shit up. Rose on to 77, light them up. You have no idea, dude. You have no, every fish would eat the Rosanian Sinister. Every fish would eat it. It's like, it's a thing. That's why.
You said you want a clear one? You remember the old chug bug?
Yeah, what you got there? What do you think? Try that one?
Yeah, I like that one. Well, I have that one over here in that white color. But
all you gotta say is, if you ever fished a tournament with this bait, don't throw these hooks, dude. Oh my god.
Yeah, well, I was about to say, yeah, it's chicken molly too. It's bad on Gunnersville too?
Yeah, talk about growing water out and get it in their stomach.
Right.
I don't think.
Those things are nasty too. That's the worst thing about it.
Yeah. I bet his best 5 go like
7 to 8.
Yeah, but his best 5, he's probably got 12, 13.
That's yeah. So you've got that hole about 80 yards, so 100 yards in front of you. Off to your right, it stays about 9-10 foot.
Gosh, dude.
Oh man.
Oh, to the left. No, I was just saying fish to the left. Crazy.
Yeah, that second fish knocked it up like 6 feet in the air.
That was nuts.
Found fish out of that school.
Go check him, bro.
Say he's not sitting.